sa kahabaan. Ito na naman sa akin sa kahabaan.
I keep running hard. First of all, thank you, Pure Gold. Pero...
To Pablo, my explanation. To Pablo, we award the Hari Nandan Award for his amazing EDSA track and for burning rubber on the streets with his trusty motorcycle. Not only that, but as the CEO of 1Z and the main composer of SB19, you have also become a key player in paving the way for P-pop as a music genre, not only in the Philippines but worldwide.
Pinuno, pinuno.